Why is volcanic soil so fertile for plants? Volcanic soil forms from cooled lava and ash, which are loaded with minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are vital nutrients that plants need for healthy growth. Unlike regular soil, volcanic soil continuously releases these nutrients slowly over time, feeding plants steadily and boosting their vitality. The texture of volcanic soil is unique because of its porous nature. It drains excess water quickly, preventing root rot, yet holds onto enough moisture to keep plants hydrated. This balance creates an ideal environment where roots can breathe and absorb nutrients efficiently, unlike heavy clay soils that may suffocate them. Volcanic regions often support lush vegetation, which contributes organic matter as plants die and decompose. This organic material improves soil structure and fertility by feeding beneficial microbes and enhancing nutrient cycling. The result is a fertile soil ecosystem that sustains healthy plant life without heavy artificial fertilizers. Even years after a volcanic eruption, the soil remains fertile. This long-lasting fertility supports diverse plant ecosystems, from tropical forests to productive farms. The slow weathering of volcanic rock continuously replenishes minerals, meaning volcanic soil can sustain rich plant growth through many seasons and generations. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.